everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share 3 pumpkin DIYs. I'm going to take some existing decor throughout my home and give it a glam touch. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start first of all with this beautiful blush pink wreath. Now my sweet friend Betsy Ann here on YouTube gifted this to me last year, as we just don't get these types of wreaths here in Australia. But I wanted to add a little bit of a pumpkin touch to this wreath, but I also wanted to do it without actually damaging the wreath, and I'm going to show you a simple and inexpensive way how. So I started by going through my pumpkin collection, and last year I picked up 2 garlands that had these little chunky knit pumpkins on them, and I actually cut them off the garland because I liked using them as bowl fillers. But this year I thought, why not make a pumpkin wreath? And this is what I'm going to do here with some double-sided tape. Now I also decided that I was going to use these beautiful gold glitter leaves that I picked up a couple of years ago from Big W at Christmas time. Now I don't actually end up using them on the wreath, but I use them in future DIYs, which you'll soon see. Here I'm just playing around with the design and seeing where I wanted to place the pumpkins as well as the leaves. But then I decided against the leaves, and just using some of this double-sided tape, I placed it on the back of each pumpkin and placed it on the wreath. Now bear in mind guys, if you're going to do this, make sure the pumpkins that you're putting on the wreath are going to be lightweight so they hold up to the double-sided tape.
A big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want.
Now I then started on my second DIY. Now I picked up this cute little pumpkin chopping board last year on Amazon. If it's still on Amazon guys, I'll leave it linked for you down below. But I knew it would be the perfect template for what I had in mind. Now I picked up some of this craft glitter foam. I have quite a bit of a collection of this glitter foam because I love using it for DIYs. Now I just pick it up at my local dollar store, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace out the pumpkin and then cut it out.
At all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around.
Now my vision for this DIY was to make a glam glitter cushion. So I went to my cushion stack and found this cute little blush pink one. And what I'm going to do is create a pumpkin design on the cushion. Now off camera guys, I traced out like the shape of an egg onto the glitter foam and I cut it out. And what I'm trying to do here is create the illusion of a 3-dimension pumpkin. So I'm going to place that in the center. Now I was was originally going to use these beads. These are just from dollar stores, and I was going to actually go round the pumpkin, but I actually went against that idea and used some peel and stick ones. But you could certainly use these if you wanted to hot glue them. I just preferred these ones better because they had the look of pearls. Now, I was also going to add this cute little rustic bow and this glitter brooch that I pick up from Spotlight. Now, I ended up using the brooch but not the bow, which I'll show you. Now you can see here I'm also playing around with the design, and I used some more of those glitter leaves. Now I ended up using 2 leaves plus the brooch and took away the bow. I then moved on to my third and final DIY. Now I had this purple pumpkin, guys, that I picked up last year from TK Maxx. Now I decided that I wanted to give it a little makeover as well, and I wanted to create the illusion of a chunky knit pumpkin. Now I picked up this super chunky yarn from Kmart. It was really inexpensive, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is just take a strand and hot glue it from top to bottom all the way around the pumpkin.
You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. It was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than.
Now this was a little time consuming. It took about an hour to cover the entire pumpkin, but I absolutely love how it came, guys. I wanted to give it that very rustic glam feel, so originally I was going to add this cute little glitter bow, but I ended up choosing one of those glitter leaves as well, and I love how it came.
Don't get around, but there's something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
And here are my simply adorable pumpkin DIYs. Just by taking a few simple ideas, guys, with existing decor in my home, I was able to create the look I was aiming for.
Nobody loves just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Guys, do you love pumpkin season as much as I do? I absolutely love to decorate my home with pumpkins, and I love that I took existing decor and gave it a new lease of life per the season. I love that I can take things throughout my home and make them look like they belong in that season, like I did with the wreath. Guys, I've mentioned to you before that here in Australia it's very hard to find anything cushion related when it comes to pumpkins. So I tend to try every season do a DIY that's simple and inexpensive and that anyone could do. Now, you know I love my glam, so I always add my glam touch. And just by taking simple things like these leaves and the glitter brooch really brought out the pumpkin design.
There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Now, with winter here in Australia, I'm really loving warm, cozy nights by the fire, guys. And I love doing DIY projects to cozy up my home. And I love sharing these ideas with you so you can do them for your home as well. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name's Michelle. Most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. I love everything, guys, from glam, rustic glam, farmhouse, any type of style I love bringing in my home. And I love bringing it all together to share with you so you may get some inspiration for your own home when decorating.
Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Leave me a comment down below which was your favourite DIY.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind.
A big shout out has to go to each and every one of my subscribers. Guys, you truly make my heart so happy. I love reading all your beautiful comments. You really encourage me to keep going with this, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. We are so close at 30,000 subscribers, guys, and I cannot wait to share an amazing giveaway with you all. I really want to give back to you all because you truly are the most amazing subscribers ever, and I really want to thank you for that. thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing some DIY glam pumpkins. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.